Just a breath before the day awakes, before the pain, before the doubts, before my heart breaks. Listen. The alarm goes off, but it's a different kind of fight. Before I open my eyes, I'm already calculating in the night. Do I have the strength today, or is it gonna be a low? Some mornings my own body is my enemy, my foe. The habits that I had are gone, there's no more routine. Just a race against the clock, a dirty, mean machine. I thought that life was plans and laughs, a future bright. Now it's treatments, needles in a future out of sight. Nothing will ever be the same, it's a different world. We're walking through the fog, our vision's getting swirled. They say be strong, you got this, but they don't know what it's like to have the pain as the only place to go. Nothing will ever be the same, it's all upside down. We learn to suffer, learn to live, no matter the cost to wear the crown. Look at the plate, used to be pleasure, now it's poison in disguise, or it's medicine. Gotta calculate the carbs, analyze the stress. It grips my heart so tight, a tightening vice. I'm scared of the next scan, scared of the next device. So I take it, I smile, I say that I'm alright, just to keep them from worrying, to keep their own nights bright. But it's a role, a damn hard role to play every day, pretending that the pain just isn't there, it's all just play. Nothing will ever be the same, it's a different world. We're walking through the fog, our vision's getting swirled. They say be strong, you got this, but they don't know what it's like to have the pain as the only place to go. Every single morning the same question haunts my head. Is the pain I'm feeling today a sign of what's ahead? This constant stress is eating me alive from deep inside. Fear the sickness grows stronger, finds a brand new way to hide. And the shadow that's been following me whispers low, my friend, how long? When will it finally take me to the great beyond, to where I belong? Sometimes I let my mind drift back to how it used to be, when my body listened to me, when I felt completely free. Those memories cut deep like a movie that I love, playing in my head while push comes to shove. I see others moving forward, building up their dreams, while my world keeps getting smaller, tearing at the seams. Time don't move the same no more, the hours crawl and creep. One good day for 10 bad ones in this battle that I keep. And the people around me, they try, I see it clear. They change up all their plans for me, they keep me near. But sometimes I watch them living life at full speed, while I'm counting hours in my room, feeling the need. And I'm ashamed thinking they don't understand the depth. They mean well, but our realities are different, nothing left. Nothing will ever be the same, but we're still here, standing tall through the fire and the rain. With our pain, with our doubt in that damn hospital hall, we're still here. Yeah, we're still here, still standing after all.